Hey guys, we received this Wi-Fi magnetic wireless cameras for home security. So it's a Wi-Fi video recorder with a 64 gigs SD card that comes with it with a good battery life around 150 days. So let me just open the box and show you the details. So this is the small factor camera. As you can see, it's very small, and then this have this a micro SD card, 64 gigs already in it, so it can store up to 64 gigs of the storage space. It can also go to the cloud storage based on your subscription, so it's up to you. And there is a reset button, on and off button, and everything in here. So let me just start this. It will start asking to connect. This is the accessory box, and this have like all this small screws and everything, and a base. This is a micro SD card reader. So you can just put in the card here, and you can read it through your laptop. The screws to fix it and a stand. So you can also put like you can see like it's a magnetic stand, so it can stand very easily with this magnetic bond, and the charging cable that you can use a USB-C charging cable to charge this mini camera. So there is an app that you need to install, and once installed, you can just add the camera. Overall, it's a nice Wi-Fi small security camera for your home or any other purpose.